Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit your key name on Discord step by step. This quick and easy guide will help you rename your security key in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once it's open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Tap on it to open your profile settings. Next, you'll land on a menu full of different options. Scroll a bit until you find settings. Tap to open it. Inside your settings, look for the section labeled Account. This is where all your account-related information lives, including your username, email, and security options. Once you're in the Account section, keep scrolling down until you see a heading called Security Keys. This is where your registered authentication keys are listed, which you can use for two-factor authentication or secure logins. Now, find the key you want to rename. You'll notice an edit icon next to it. It looks like a little pencil. Tap on that edit icon to start changing your key's name. A small box will appear where you can type your new key name. Go ahead and enter the new name you want to use. Make sure it's something clear and easy to remember, especially if you have more than one key saved in your account. Once you've typed in the new name, all that's left to do is tap on Rename. Discord will quickly save your change and you'll see the updated key name appear in the list. And that's it. You've successfully edited your key name on Discord. It's a simple process that only takes a minute but helps keep your account organized and easy to manage.